Hello everyone, today we are going to say how we can use the Copilot. Right now we are in the repo of Copilot Codespace VS Code. I will give this link so that you can do it as well or follow along with me. So let's see what is this repo. So it is said that code with GitHub Copilot. It can help you by offering autocomplete style and suggestion right in the IDE or the code space. Let's start. So if you have the GitHub Enterprise, then you can explore. So if you do not have it, sign it up for 30 days free, or you can claim student developer pack. If you are a student just like me, then you can also do this course. Let's clone this. You must keep it public. It will take few seconds. Now let's see. We have to wait about 20 seconds after cloning the repo, then we will get the step 1. Oh no, 20 seconds is not done. Yes, the step 1 is there. So the step 1 is leverage Codespace with VS Code for a Copilot. In this activity, we are going to enable Copilot inside the Codespace. As you can see, we have to create a file, a development container injection file, where we will give this code body, which is saying to install GitHub Copilot as an extension. So if we create this file inside the VS Code or the code space, then it will automatically add the extension. Let's see. Let's do what they ask. Sorry, duplicate this one so that you can follow along and see. Add a file. The file name I'm just copying it and pasting it. Copy and paste. As you can see, it was set to commit directly. Now let's go back to our repo. You can simply okay. Now we have to again wait about wait, we have to say it in the code space. Look at the code space. Now we have to wait about 1 minute for the code space to generate or to spin it itself. Then you will see this page, similar like page of the readme that we are seeing right now. And one thing I want to show you, that you can see that here beside the layout us there is no icon or particular thing, but as we gave the prompt to install the extension, shortly you will see an icon here which will show that our prompting or our activity is correct or right. Let's wait. Then you will see a ChatGPT interface inside your IDE, which will feel like you are taking help from the Copilot. As you can see, the terminal is generated. Now, as you can see, it is already generating, is loading, and the let me full. Let me zoom it out. As you can see, it is similar, and the next steps are already here. The terminal is here. We can ask the chat bot here. So the Copilot is already here, and as you can see, I told you there will be an icon here. So the icon is now right here, and we can also personally check by going to the extension tab. As you can see, it was 0. Now it's getting refresh, and it will show 2 extension. Which one is GitHub Copilot and get GitHub Copilot Chat, which is this one. You can ask it like the Chat GPT interface. Right now we won't ask anything. We'll simply follow the task from our repo. So as you can see, we have completed up to step 10. Now we have to wait 60 seconds and refresh. As you saw in the code space, which is already reloaded, we can reload it. You can see Now for the second activity, we have to see whether it giving us prompt or not. So we have to create a JavaScript file and start writing. So the name of the JavaScript file that we will be creating is skills.js. Let's create. Oh, wait a minute. Hmm, same tab. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Now skills dot js. Now we have to type function calculate. Oh, it's not. Sorry, it is kind of taking us now. Calculate. Oh, sorry. Numbers variable 1 comma variable 2. Let's see it is giving us anything or not. It's showing us the next line could be return variable plus another variable, but as you can see it most probably should give a prompt related to JavaScript language, but it's not. But I will accept it anyway. Accept. You can click it here or can press the tab key in your keyboard. Now let's save it. You must save it. And then we have to add this. So let's add git add. Let's cut this one for a moment. Git add skills dot js. Now we have to write our commit message. Git commit m copilot first commit copilot first commit. Make sure to um, give double quotation if you give at the starting. If you give single quotation, try to give single quotation at the end, otherwise it will have a syntax error. Now we'll push it. Now we'll see that whether it's our, I think our flow is okay. Now we'll wait about 60 seconds. Also check it. You can the step 3 is now. So the step 3 is view GitHub Copilot tab with multiple suggestions. Now let's see whether we can do or not. To pull the latest code in the repo, we have to pull git pull. Okay. If you do not know the basics of git commands, you can simply ask in the down. I can also give the links in my video down below. Why it went away? Okay, git pull. It is done now. Now let's see. We have to create another file members member.js. Now let's see what do we have to type. Function scale member. Function scale skills. As you can see, it's already giving us a prompt or a hint. Now we can simply accept this one, and you can hover the icon and see the triple dot, but I do not see it. So I'm going to accept whatever it is giving in me right now. So I'm going to accept it and save it. Accept the solution. Now we have to do the same thing again all over again, and let's do it one more time. So git add member.js, git commit m copilot second commit, then git push. Now we have successfully done the step 3. Let's see in our source control. Again, this is already done, so we have to do the last step now. Let's see what is the last step. Let's wait for the 30 seconds. So let's wait. Nah, I'm not going to do it this much. Oh no. It's quite fun to mess around while refreshing. Hmm. Hmm. Let's see if we have done anything wrong. Skills member. You have to check whether you have done anything wrong, otherwise, sometimes it won't give the next steps. Did I do something wrong? Copilot second commit. Git push is also done. Hmm. I don't know why this is not working. I refreshing the both. Did I do git pull? I refreshed it right there. The memory must be gone. জানি না, আমি ভিডিও করতেছি এখন। We are back now. It loaded after waiting quite a moment. Let me show you. There was nothing wrong. We did nothing wrong. That was just a simple delay. Let's do all one last poll. So git poll already updated. Okay. Now we have to create another folder. Sorry, file. You can see it is generating something. We'll accept it. But I do not get. I'm not getting the dotted line, so I'm not but it is giving in line in every line. I even after I press enter, it is giving me what should be the file of a web server. Now you can also give it like this. mm, let's not do it, let's keep it as it is and save it and add. We are not going to do some more changes. Let's git add comments.js, git commit that commit. Now git push. We are finally done. Everything is done. Let's say yes, it is already done. Yeah, we have already explored what GitHub Copilot can do and finally succeeded. As you can see in the source control, all of the steps are done, and that means the activity is successfully done. So we have end of the project. So you can explore these resources, and I'll also add some additional more resources for you to explore. And thanks for staying with me for a long while to see how it works. Thank you. If you like my videos,